The flavor of this delicious vegetable Thai red curry dish depends a lot on the curry paste used. I encourage you to do it yourself. If you decide to use store-bought red curry paste, only add 1 tablespoon. It is much more spicy. I invite you to watch my video to learn how to make your own Thai red curry paste. For vegetables, take advantage of those in season. They are fresh and tasteful. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Cut 200 grams of bamboo shoot into thin slices. Boil them in water for 10 minutes to remove their bitterness. And drain them. Cut 150 grams of straw mushrooms in half. Cut into chunks 1 zucchini, 1 eggplant, half red pepper, 1 carrot, 1 small red curry squash, all the vegetables are ready. Now we can start cooking. In a saucepan over medium heat, put the coconut milk that is on the surface of the can, without the clear juice in below. Put 175 grams of homemade red curry paste. Mix and let heat 4 to 5 minutes while stirring occasionally. The coconut oil appears. Add 10 grams of palm sugar and 3 kaffir lime leaves that I tear to release their flavor. Stir for 30 seconds. Then add the remainder of coconut milk, .30 centiliters of water, half teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, the carrots, and the curry squash. Stir and let simmer with a lid for 10 minutes. Add the remainder of vegetables, the bamboo shoot, the zucchini, the eggplant, the mushrooms, the cherry tomatoes, the red pepper. Mix and let simmer for another 15 minutes. Stir from time to time. Finally, add the Thai basil leaves. Mix and turn off the heat. Enjoy with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! This vegetable red curry is very fragrant and tasty. With the homemade curry paste, the sauce is thick and creamy. Meat lovers will be also seduced by these delicious vegetables. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.